All right, everybody. Today, this is part 2 of our all shrimp week. I'm gonna do some shrimp fritters. To me, the way I make them, they're more like shrimp pancakes, but super easy and they're flavorful, they're fire. Have you ever had a shrimp fritter or any type of fritter? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, like I said, it's real easy. We have our black tiger shrimp already peeled in the vein. Gonna use about 15 of them. And we're just gonna chop them up. All right, now that they're chopped up, we're gonna add them to our bowl. This makes about 4 shrimp fritters. All right, now 1 egg. We got a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, onion powder, MSG. If you don't know what MSG is, it's basically make shit good. Pour that in there. About 2 garlic cloves, green onion, shredded carrots. We have 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, about 4 tablespoons cornstarch, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now you're gonna put some vegetable oil in your skillet, about 1/4 inch thick. Just get you a spoon. Spread it out. So they're ready to flip. Use the edge of the skillet so you don't splash oil everywhere, and just slide it down, just like that. About a minute or 2 after you flip them, and we're ready to eat. All right, so we're just gonna add some of this green leaf lettuce.
So y'all already know what this is. If you've been to the truck, this was our chef special item, which was our sweet garlic aioli with sriracha. Very popular. Everybody would just drown their noodles in this.
So good.
We still sell this at the noodle bar. You can still get chef special at the noodle bar, but it also goes on pretty much everything else.
Yeah, everything.
Literally.
Everything. And you know we got our Kool-Aid.
Yep, run it.
We've been drinking watermelon Kool-Aid.
For 2 weeks.
It's not.
I like it.
No, we need another flavor.
Delicious.
We need another flavor.
Well, I'm gonna keep drinking watermelon. watermelon.
So these shrimp fritters, we used to make these. We used to sell them out the house. They were more in the shape of a ball, but I actually like them as, you know, as a pancake. It's good to eat them with the green leaf lettuce. Fire.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, fire.
Like eat it with together?
Go ahead and cut you a little piece off. Get you a little lettuce and wrap it in there.
Oh, I like it.
Tear a little piece off.
Where do you see this at? I got it.
I'm trying to help. Damn.
I wanted to just taste the fritter.
We'll taste the fritter without the lettuce.
Okay.
Yeah,
You good.
exactly. Like that one.
I mean, it's different. Like a little fritter wrap.
Oh my God.
It's been a minute.
That's so good.
But didn't we sell the shrimp fritter with the gumbo pot pie? Yeah.
Like a Cajun box.
That's exactly what it was. A Cajun box.
Listen, this is so easy to make. I will have the recipe in the description. Have you ever had any type of fritter? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
My nigga, enjoy.